So it's a nice morning. We had a bunch of rain yesterday, and as I stated before, whenever you connect to a roof, another roof, that's can be an issue area, especially trying to go into asphalt. It's very difficult because asphalt isn't made to, it's made to become one thing. So sliding stuff underneath is very difficult. But for some reason we developed an area here which is leaking down below, and I know it's about right in here based on landmarks and the window where it's leaking above. So the only thing I see is this mark right here. It looks like I might have put a rip in the asphalt shingle, and before it was fine, it didn't leak, but now it's leaking. Don't see anything else. So what I'm going to do is pull these screws here for about 4 or 5 feet, or maybe just these 3 first, and then see if that does it. I must be there. So what I'm going to do is I'll then under see how far up I can go. If I have to try to take out some nails with my ripper, which is for slate roofs, but it will work for taking nails out here, and then try to slide some aluminum up into, ideally, up into here. Because if that's the leak, if I can go up into here underneath, that would be great. So let's see what we can do here. Luckily we had to break in the weather and it's not too bad out for temperature. Especially for, I think, January 5th.